Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to copy same image in Word. There are several ways to duplicate an image in Word, ranging from the standard right click to the high speed goose drag technique that will save you a lot of clicks. The first method is the goose drag method. This is the secret trick used by the power user. It bypasses the clipboard entirely. So click on your image to select it and now hold down the control key on your keyboard and now click and drag. Again click and drag and place the image to the new position. However, there is another keyboard classic method. If you need to paste the image multiple times or on a different page, then click the image and press the Ctrl C to copy it, and then place the cursor where you want to paste the image, like this one. There is another method where you keep source formatting. So if you want to ensure the image keep its size and border setting, then right click the image and select to copy, and now right click the area where you want to the place it, and now under the paste option choose the icon that looks like a clipboard with a small picture. This is the keep source formatting icon. Click on that and here it is. So if you use the control plus drag method and want the copy to stay perfectly lined up with the original horizontally or vertically, now hold down both control plus shift key and drag it. The shift key locks the movement to a straight line. So with this way you can easily copy same image in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.